Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day.
Alright, so it's getting close. It's getting close to being out. So the plan is this Friday. Well, it's probably gonna be in the past before it happens, before this video comes out. But today's Monday, so end of the week, Friday. I want to have this up at my mom's school for her after-school program, little car show. So there's still a lot that needs to be done. I'm not driving it up there. I'm gonna trailer it up there, but it definitely needs to be running enough, and that body work is bad. Definitely just running enough to get on and off the trailer, maybe do some stuff in the parking lot. But like I said, there's still quite a bit of stuff that needs to be done. Like I said, just need to actually attach the wheel well liner. Have the seat belt retractors in there, but of course still need to order seat belts. That's why obviously not driving it, but that's not the only reason. I drive it without seat belts. It just needs a lot of stuff, a lot of small stuff, so here and there. Major thing is I need some coolant lines, so it'd be fine to drive off and on the trailer without them, but I don't want to have that be something I forget down the line and start driving and it overheats. So my problem is the flexible lower radiator hose will work, no problem. Everything lines up nicely with the adjustable thermostat housing. Only problem with this, I've had it so long in so many boxes, I don't know where the gasket and everything is. So I have a thermostat here, but no gasket. I have a stock one here with gasket and thermostat, but not at the right angle. I have a straight one here without the gasket, but I need the adjustable one. So I just ordered another one off of Amazon and watched the gasket pop up somewhere in the garage, but that should be here Thursday, so that's kind of a little bit of a time crunch. Need to install the coolant reservoir or overflow reservoir, so I need to find some type of bracket. I could make something up and mount it about there. I'll try to use some existing holes, but if I have to make a new one or two, throw some touch-up paint on it, that's not a problem. Have all the clamps for all the intake piping, need to get those on. So really I can't throw any of them on right now because the turbo needs to come back off, so I could drill and tap that for the boost controller, which I need to make a quick parts run and grab that fitting. There's one more thing I was going to grab. Oh yeah, the power steering lines. So they will work with the stock G-body power steering lines. You might have to route them a little funky, but they will work. And then sometimes with the newer motors and the newer power steering pumps, it's too much pressure, so you need like a pressure reducer, which right now I'm not too worried about. Down the line, if I start going through power steering pumps or notice anything's leaking, I'll get that swapped out. But yeah, I believe this is, like I said, it looks a little weird, but this is how it's routed on the Elco. I had to bend it at a weird angle. I think the Monte's is a little different. Yeah, I don't have my light on me. Let me grab one. So I think it's a little different. I'm not too sure. I know it's a mess. I've been out here trying to work and get it organized one day and messes up again another day. Give you guys that sunset. Like I said, if you have a better garage view, than me, let me know. But you can't beat that. They're not coming down my block. So definitely looks like it goes in a different spot than on the Elcos. So I'll triple check. The towel's on there now, so I really can't tell. But yeah, I think this one goes in the back of the, yeah. So it's a little different. I'll try to get the new feed and return line. I know the return isn't pressurized, so it's pretty much just a hose. So I'll take a look at that and let you guys know what I come up with. What did he say a while ago? Was better than 1G body, 2G bodies. But yeah, so it's a lot of small stuff that needs to happen. And then there's one major thing that I probably need to do before he goes on the trailer or any type of speed. The latches. So they're the arrow catch. Looking at it now, I think I should have, or I don't know if they didn't have them or if they weren't the locking ones, but they had the bolt or the stud here was anodized red, and obviously that's the little accent color in here. So think about it, I probably should have ordered those, but then again, the chrome or the polished finish is also an accent color on here. So those are some of the things that I need to knock out before it goes on a trailer. And I was going to borrow my neighbor's, but our schedules didn't line up. And then the other day I was supposed to go over there. I didn't see his truck outside, so just assumed he wasn't home. So made a little reservation at U-Haul. So should get those back pretty soon. And then the passenger side mirror could finally go on, especially with it somewhat mobile now, and I'm not worried about getting the bike out just yet. Only thing is, I think I need to re-thread these. Got a little bit of overspray on them, so clean up the threads a little bit probably, and go from there. So it's not going as a complete car. There's going to be some things missing. I think my buddy, he hit me up earlier about the intake piping earlier today. So I'm not sure if he got that knocked out or what. But I'm hoping he says something about the windows pretty soon, so I get the windows installed. And then this part here, I'm not too worried about it just yet. I could wrap it with just a blank piece of vinyl and install it, but obviously the gauge cluster isn't back, so that's not going to be there. I could take this one out, but I don't want to do too much. But yeah, that's kind of where I'm at. It's all over the place. I know it's an organized mess. I know where everything is, but still a little messy back there. But tonight I'm just pretty much coming out to figure out everything I need. Like I said, I still need to put the map sensor, install that. Once the intake comes back, the mat sensor, install that. Get another piece of vacuum tubing for the fuel pressure regulator. Need to hook that up to the intake also. So it's a lot of small things. I think tomorrow I'm going to come out pretty heavy on it tomorrow, knocking a bunch of stuff out, or as much as I can, so we can get it close. So Tuesday and Wednesday, I'll be out here the majority of the day. Thursday, like I said, that thermostat housing is supposed to be in, so might have to wait till Thursday to put some coolant in it. Hopefully I get the intake back. If not, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Just put an NA tune on it, grab the intake off the Elko throw it on here or something. But yeah, it's getting close. I think I could probably get away with something similar with the upper radiator hose on the Monte for now. Of course, eventually I want to switch it up and actually get like some silicone 90s in here, and then just a crossover pipe, connect all that together. But if I need to, I could go I believe this off of Tahoe, so pretty much the truck, up radiator hose. You know what? I could actually go look at the truck and see what that looks like. But yeah, yeah. But it's getting there. I know it seems like a lot. I've been rambling. I'm about to run to the parts store now. Probably. I like Advance, but they never have anything, so I usually pass O'Reilly's to go to Advance and then turn around and go to O'Reilly's and get what I need. So yeah, I'll probably do the same thing. Go to Advance, see if they have the power steering pumps or power steering lines or not. If they have them, I'll grab those, and then some extra vacuum line, and then I guess some extra just line for the coolant. So yeah, but that's about it. I think I'm gonna have the Camaro out earlier today, so might just hop in that and run to the parts store. But yeah, I guess I'll probably have some extra vacuum line there. So I don't. Yeah, we'll figure it out. I'll probably grab some extra just in case. So I need it for the fuel pressure regulator. Then I'm gonna need some for the blow off valve. I have enough for the boost controller, and then just some hose for the coolant. But that's pretty much all I want to come out today. Kind of get an idea of what I need and just make a short video and throw the camera on the charger. But yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna come out and we're gonna knock some stuff out. And the other thing is time crunch with the brakes. The rotor should be in Friday at the latest, I believe, 22nd. So hopefully they come. Probably Thursday night would be ideal. Get off work Thursday, put the brakes on. Friday morning, I could probably grab my neighbor for a little bit, get the brakes bled, and so yeah, do that Friday morning. Friday afternoon, go get the trailer from U-Haul, and then Friday afternoon, take it up to my mom's school. So yeah, that's it for this one. Hopefully didn't lose you guys too much. If you guys see anything that needs to be done that I might have forgot, like the window trim, need to black that out too. So find a couple of the clips, but most of them are there. So need the front and rear window trim. Could put it chrome, but nah, that definitely needs to go blacked out. Yeah. If you guys see anything else or noticed anything that I need to do or I forgot, just let me know. But yeah, that's it for this one. So catch you guys back on tomorrow, and let you guys know what happens.